Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Going to do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this 2019 Bobcat S770 that came in and we're putting up for sale. Like always, I'll walk around, I'll get close to everything, talk about features and functions, point out anything I see, then we'll do the operational video, show it starting up, moving forward, backwards, loader up and down, bucket in and out, kind of run it through its paces. As always, if you are in the market for a used skid steer or a used piece of construction or farm equipment, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos. Your subscriptions and likes help other people who are looking for similar things find our videos and our equipment. All right, like I said, this one's a 2019 Bobcat S770, cab heat air, high flow, 2-speed, sticks and pedals controls, power BOBTACH, self-leveling bucket, reverse fan, deluxe panel, 3,350 pound lift capacity. I just drove this one around a little bit ago. It drives nice and straight. It turns strong both directions. The 2-speed works. Like I said, it does have the power BOBTACH. That works good. The hydraulics are strong. I lifted itself up really easy with it. The pins up front here, they have a little bit of play. They're not awful, but there is a little bit of play there, but nothing out of the ordinary for a used skid steer. Tire life tread here, as you can tell, they are mismatched on this side. The front one's getting a little more wore down. I'm going to say it's probably about 20% tread life. The rear one's probably closer to 40. The white paint is nice and bright, as you can see here, and it's not flaked off terribly like you see on a lot of them. Pretty good back here behind the wheels. There is some asphalt stuck. As you can see here, there's some asphalt splattered around on this machine. The back door is nice and straight. Doesn't look like it's been backed into anything or anything like that. This top shield's in good shape. Up top here. Down on this side, again, the white paint's in pretty good shape. It's not flaking off on the corners or the edges like they do a lot of times. The tires on this side are same tread pattern, and I'm gonna say this side's probably in that 35% tread life. I think I'm being reasonable there. Rims are decent. They've got some paint chipping off on this one here a little bit. Again, the white paint's nice and bright and not really flaking off. There is a little bit of asphalt on this side as well, as you can kind of see here. I don't notice any cracks or welds or plating anywhere. Bucket's straight. These are kind of a lighter duty bucket, but it is straight. We'll go take a look inside the engine compartment here. All right, we'll get up close here. As you can see in there, everything's nice and dry. I don't really notice any diesel or oil running down the side of the block or anything here. Fairly clean back here. Inside of the back door is in good shape. We'll go take a look inside the cab. Front door is in good shape. The glass is there. The step's in good shape. Again, there's some asphalt up here. Paint's pretty good up here in the front. There's chipped off a little bit in a few spots. Kind of par for the course. All right, seat is in really good shape here on this one. No cuts or tears. Floorboard here, you can tell there's a little bit of asphalt there. I'll sit down in here. Both your sticks are in good shape. Both your handles. Like we said, deluxe panel on this one here. Some of your controls here. There's your auto bucket leveling. Reverse fan, like we said, power BOBTACH. 3,410 hours. This one does have a radio in it, but I could not get it to work. It turns on, but I get no sound. So I don't know if it's the speakers or if it's the radio, but so Does not have a working radio, which a lot of these don't have radios at all. Everything, like I said, I don't see any cracks or welds. Everything looks good here. All right, like I said, this one's a 2019 S770, 3,410 hours. We'll get right into an operational video.